Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Wix. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, simply type in wix.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Wix. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, you can directly click on your Google account to sign up with Google, or you can click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken to the login section. Now from the login page, you will find the sign up button as well. Click on it and you will be allowed to sign up using your Google or your Facebook account and also your email. So simply go ahead and type in your email address and then type it in once again to confirm it. Finally, type in your desired password and then type it in once again to confirm it. Now you can click on the sign up button and this will proceed with signing you up to your account. You will now be asked to select who you are creating your website for. You can select either of the options that is displayed below and click on the continue button. Or you can skip this by clicking on the skip button at the bottom right as well. You will then be asked to fill up various information which you can either select from the given option or use the search box to select your answer. You can also skip this by clicking on the skip button. Now your sign up process will be completed and you will be taken into your dashboard. You can then simply fill up the remaining information and click on the next button or click on the skip button to edit these later as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Wix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.